What is up, you guys? Back with another video. Today it's gonna be kind of weird, or this video is gonna be kind of weird, because we're gonna start off here, and then Elias is gonna continue the vlog, and then we're gonna meet up tomorrow. It's kind of complicated. Our schedules are really different. I have school tomorrow. He doesn't, I don't think, in the morning, so he's gonna go get his exhaust done. We did plan on going together, but the guy wanted him to go earlier, so he's gonna go earlier. He's getting a Carven series muffler installed on his truck. So, you guys just saw what Elias vlogged throughout his day. I was at school, but now he's here, finally. It actually sounds good. He does have to button up one more thing, just the dump, just how mine is. But besides that, it's done. This is basically how it's gonna sound. So we're gonna give you a little startup. Alright, so actually this is what his exhaust used to look like. Look at that. Look at all the restrictions, man. Look. Bam. Look at that big ass restriction. But no wonder it was quiet. Actually, it wasn't that quiet, but it was way more quiet than it is now. And then, what? This is where the Chevy tips were, huh?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, well, no more of that. Alright, so this is what his exhaust is set up like now. Ow, I hit my... Oh, fuck, I can't see. Oh, this is what his exhaust is set up now. Huh? Basically a straight pipe all the way to a Carven R series muffler. Alright, I'm gonna... Well, hopefully the camera picked it up. It sounds way better. It sounds deeper. It sounds aggressive. Anything you gotta say?
No, I just not.
Alright, well, is this the end of our video?
Yeah.
Alright, well, if you guys enjoyed the video, oh damn, you can't see. If you guys enjoyed the video, definitely like and subscribe. Leave a comment on what we should do next to our trucks and what you guys want to see on the channel. It's on Instagram. Our Instagrams are going to be down below in the description, so you guys could stay updated with what's going on. We post more there than we do here. And be sure to be on the lookout. Our videos usually go out on Mondays, so every Monday expect a video from us. If you guys don't, it'll be up Tuesday or Wednesday. Sometimes we just get busy. And yeah, so like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.